Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our high leverage diagonal cutting plier, the JIC-2488. This plier features the following. It's made of chrome vanadium steel and heat treated for long life and durability. The cutting edge here are precision ground and induction hardened for a nice crisp clean cut every time. The handles are ergonomically designed and have a cushioned grip on it for maximum comfort and convenience. The high leverage design provides superior cutting performance and the tool is 8 inches long. This tool conforms to ASME B107.11 and ISO 5749 standards. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.